Welcome to our channel Essay Tips. Today, I will show you how to do the referencing using Mendeley software. First, I have copy-pasted the content which I want to do the referencing in a Microsoft Word file. Now, doing some formatting of the content. It is not mandatory, but just for the decoration, I'm just doing it. Now, I'm moving to the Mendeley desktop versions. First, you have to log in with your email ID and password. I have also done so. You can see in the All References tab, when I'm clicking, there is no reference file or content that I can refer to. For doing so, you have to add some references first to your library. So I am given the content on supply chain management. So I'm copying this word supply chain management and going to the to section, and here you'll get the one window that will do when you come to Mendeley. Here in search box, I am just copy pasting the word supply chain management and clicking on search button. Now you can see in the window there are no sub references regarding supply chain management. You can click on the next options to get the other references page also on supply chain management. Now there is 3 tabs over there. It is most relevant, most recent, or most cited. As per your choice, if you want to do the current referencing, then you can click on most recent tab, or you can have the most relevant reference that is going with your content. That also you can select, or most cited, that whichever PDF or contains a reference that has been used by the most of the articles, that also can be referred to your content. Now suppose I want a particular word reference to give to my content, so I have to click the Add to Library options to adding it to the Mendeley All References section. You can see that the references whichever I have chosen on this window, all of the references have come to the Mendeley Online Library All Reference section. And now I'm moving to the Microsoft Word and plugin options and choosing the Mendeley site. Here also you may log in by your user ID and password. You have to click on the Get Started button, and by default automatically it will be logged in. Now in the citation settings section, you can change the preferred citation style, whichever you want. It may be IEEE, it may be your Harvard, it may be your APA, whatever is your choice. Now I'm selecting Harvard referencing as per this content. You can do the search also if you're not getting the available options in the list. And you have to click on the Update Citation button. Now come to the paragraph. Suppose I want to do the referencing to the first paragraph at the end, so I have to click at the end of the sentence and just select the reference and insert citation. You can see the first reference already indexed in Harvard style. Now similarly, if I want to do the referencing to the next paragraphs, I can select any of the reference as per my choice and click on the Insert Citation button to do the final indexing. You can do the referencing at the beginning of the sentence also and end of the paragraph also. That is up to you. I'm just calling it down, and as per my choice, I am selecting the references and doing the indexing. Now, my all the contents reference has been done, indexing has been done. Now, you need the bibliography or references at the end of the content. Just see at the right hand side corner there is 3 button. Here you can insert your bibliography by clicking the tab Insert Bibliography at the end of the content. So I am doing so for the references which I have been used in this content. Now check, all the references that have been used in the content all have come to the end of the content. Now I am writing this as references. Now entire document is prepared. It is in text with full references. So in this way you can easily do the any kind of referencing style in Mendeley software. Stay tuned with Tips for further videos. Thank you so much.